Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So, B2B, what is it? B2B is business to business. So, for example, let's say somebody was to reach out to me and they were to say, hey, could you provide marketing services for my business? If my business provides marketing services for their business, that is a business to business transaction. So very, very simple. It's where one company will provide services, products to another, such as let's say you're a restaurant, let's say you've got a special business to business deal or a B2B deal with a butcher or a greengrocer. They might provide these products to you a little bit cheaper. Let's say you're a marketer like myself, and I love this one as well. You might have a contra deal with say a restaurant where you do services for them, and that they will they'll knock my prices down by saying, oh, you can come in and have a free meal every now and then with a nice girl or whatever. Yeah, like any nice girl's going to spend any time with me. But but anyway, so business to business, it's very, very commonly used in the world of marketing. You're going to hear B2B a lot if you go to any business networking meetings. Anyway, hope that helps. You have a lovely day. Bye.